So how many of you know what is the highest amount that you can borrow from the bank for property valued at 12 million Hong Kong dollars? Right, it's 6 million Hong Kong dollars. And the highest loan to value ratio for any property above 10 million in Hong Kong is 50% in the bank. So is there any way that we can get any finance above 50% for the valuation? Yes, that's the non-bank money lenders. And that you can do up to 60, 70, 80, or even 90%. But the range for the interest rate for these non-bank lenders is really large. Interest rate could, for the first mortgage, can range from 8% to over 30%, while these lenders are having very limited information to the public. It's very hard to know whether you're paying too much or too low. So in Hong Kong, there are over 2,200 licensed money lenders. Over 300 of them are providing mortgage loans. To get the lowest price or highest loan amount, we probably need a platform that can connect to all these lenders. So within 1 year, Fundergo has already connected to over 60 licensed money lenders. We have also built an automated system that provides instant property valuation, instant filter to lenders' lending criteria that matches the available lenders' specific loan request. And together with our online application system, the borrower can obtain multiple tailor-made offers for comparison with just one application. Isn't that cool? Not yet. Let's look at the following case. Okay, here we have a guy who is a successful businessman. He got a deal where he can get over 30% profit margin in 3 months' time, but he doesn't have the cash flow to handle it. He talked to a loan agent, and the loan agent referred him to a money lender. He provided a lot of information. So within 3 weeks' time, he got the loan drawdown. He had to pay interest rate of 24% per annum, plus extra 5% fee to the loan agent, and another 5% to his friend. With Fundergo, the same guy can get the interest rate and choices as low as 9% or even 8% for the same property, selecting the offer within 3 days and get the loan drawdown within 1 week. No fee has to be paid to any agent by the borrower. So up to 2020, there are still a lot of people doing loans through the loan agents. These loan agents cover over 70% of the non-bank mortgage market. Looking at the difference in service, the price, the speed, and transparency, we know that people changing the mode of borrowing from these loan agents to platforms like Fundergo is just a matter of time. But how can we facilitate this? How can we facilitate the change? I would say there are 2 keys, which is the network and the trust. For over thousands of years, trust has been the key to many financial services, including the banks. So we have to build a trust network, and we call that the Slashie Network. A network where people can help each other and earn, and help others to earn. How wonderful is that? From late October 2020, Fundergo has started a network where members, or we call them Slashie, can refer borrowers to Fundergo and uses the resources of Fundergo to obtain the best loan offer. At the same time, earning meaningful fees on successful basis. In 2 weeks' time, there are over 200 Slashie or agent registered in Fundergo. We expect this to go over 5,000 within the next 6 months. The network is now covering Hong Kong and shall expand to overseas together with our overseas expansion plan to cover more and more industry. In next quarter, which is 2021 first quarter, we will start our UK and Greater Bay Area office. Then we will start Canada and Australia in 2022 and other countries afterwards. In the future, the network shall expand to a global Slashie finance network, where everyone can be a loan expert to bring local financial service to foreign investors, earn extra income in a legitimate way. Non-bank mortgage is just a start. Coming next, We have banking, mortgage, SME financing, trade finance, FX, project loans, or even STOs. Since the bank mortgage business started in Fundergo, we have already received over 300 applications. We have done over 30 cases with over 300 million Hong Kong dollars loan booked through the platform. On receiving service fee from the lenders, we have achieved income no less than 2 million Hong Kong dollars. And excluding the overseas expansion, we're going to break even in this quarter. So from our research, the total Hong Kong non-bank mortgage loan is around 100 billion Hong Kong dollars, while Fundergo has only done 300 million Hong Kong dollars. So there is a lot of room that we can do. We'll further expand to UK and GBA next year, where we see a much larger market of at least 1,200 billion Hong Kong dollars. Then we'll further expand to other countries, including Australia, Canada, and Greater China and Asia, which is going to be another 10 times bigger. Fundergo is founded by the following team. So on the left side, myself and Ken, our COO, who has been in the banking industry for over 15 years. We left the bank 1 year ago and start this business with the support of some seed fundings. On the right side is Tanky. He is a very experienced in managing IT projects for over 15 years. So this is our roadmap. You can see the establishment last year, and we have our website ready with a little marketing this year, July. And we have partnered with over 60 lenders. After that, we'll move into building up the Slashie Network and overseas business. These are some of our supporting partners, which are lenders, incubators, and strategic partners. So you can see we are incubating of Ident Drone and Cyberport as well. So here are some of our media coverage in local news and magazines. So welcome to ask any questions. Here is my contact. Thank you very much.